Welcome. Today we're going to try to replace this standard lock with a Combi-cam lock. It's a combination lock that you can put in place so you don't have to use a key each time, which makes it pretty nice not have to carry those keys. And I don't know about you, but those standard keys on here are hard to get in and out. Last time I did this on the other side a few days ago, and all I needed was an adjustable wrench, a Phillips, and a straight, and you could probably get away with just a Phillips as well. So the first thing to do is to take off the lock, one with the key. This one has two, one without a key and one with a key. You actually could replace both if you wanted. And I'm going to start off by taking off this lock here. And of course you can get the exact size, but in an RV I don't carry every single tool, so too much weight. So that's trying to take it off. And it's loose. At this point you might say, how can you get that bolt off there with this in the way? And you can't. So you have to take off the end piece here. And this one's made for a Phillips or a straight. So I'm taking that end piece off. And underneath there is a little piece that dictates how far it can turn, and that's going to be on the other one as well. So if you want to keep this, don't let that fall off and lose it. Then we'll take the rest of this off. There we go. Okay, and then you just push this. It should slide out. This is when you might lose your little direction thing. All right, and then I screw this back on here so I don't lose it. Alright, now we're going to open the Combi-cam up. Now, when I went to order for this, I had the hardest time finding out the right size. And the measurements are really how far out this has to stick. So when I found somebody else on one forum that said 1 1/8 is what they ordered, and so this is a 1 1/8, and I already know it works from the other side. There are smaller ones. I don't know if they work, but I know a 1 1/8 works. So in the package, you'll have some extra arms if you need to change the direction, the size of the arm. It comes with the straight already on it. So we have to take that off. Again, watch to make sure you don't lose the direction indicator. Alright, so, whoa. I have never seen the top pop off this. I guess that screw holds it in place. And then you have to unscrew this. And there's a, I'll call it a traction plate in there that has 4 teeth on it to keep it in place on the inside. Okay. Now I'm going to put this through here. Notice that it's sideways, and so a little bit of this will depend on putting in the right way and turning it the direction you want. Should be a little bit tight and slide through there. This one actually fits a little tighter than the one on the other side with this little lip here. I have a mild concern about if that's a be tight, that'll seal up tight enough. And then this side, you can, I don't know if you can see the little teeth that stick out on that, but that should hold it in place. up against the side here. There we go. Not crooked this time. Okay, so just do a little test here if it's going to turn the right way or if I need to spin it. Yes, so now it's, I think it's upside down because I don't want the hole sticking up in the air when it's done. That hole is the reset button. So I need to, I probably need to spin it the other direction. Okay, did a little bit of experimenting to make sure that on this, when it's locked, that the combinations are up and down. What the important part of that is the hole is in the bottom there for rain when it's sitting, and then turn it to unlock it to the side. Even then the hole's on the side, but you never want that hole on the top so the rain could get in it. All right, now we're ready to tighten everything up and see if it continues to work. And as you're tightening this, those teeth are going to start biting into the side of this baggage door, which is what you want, so it'll hold it in place. Don't need to over tighten, but do need to get those teeth to bite in. There, they're biting in. Okay. This still will turn, yes. Alright, so as you saw, all I used was a screwdriver, Phillips. An adjustable wrench was all I need, so now let's try it out. We shut the door. Oh, got to unlock it. Shut the door, lock, and it's shut. Then you can set the combination. There's another video out there that we use that's all about resetting the combination, but in short, you stick a pin up underneath there and hold it in place when it's unlocked, then reset it, keeping that pin pushed in the whole time, and then once it's set on your new combination, then you can release the pin and your new combination is set. So thank you for joining in search of Adventure.Life here as we set up a new Combi-cam to get rid of the keys, those standard keys, and make it easier to use. Thank you.